Let's look at Chapter 10, Lesson 6 Extension, Collecting and Analyzing Survey Data. Mr. Gottlieb's class made a graph of the months students were born. So this is their graph, and I can see on the y-axis I have the number of students going up and down, and on the x-axis I have the birth month. Looking at this graph, can you tell whether more students were born in the winter than in the summer? And I would say yes, you can, because you know that the winter months would be from about November to February, and you know that the summer months would be about May, June, July, and August. And you can see that in the winter months you have 2 in January, plus 3 more in November, which is 5, plus 2 more in December, which is going to be 7 for the winter. And then in the summer you have May, which is 4, plus June, which is 3, together that's 7, plus 1 in July is 8, plus 3 more would be 11 in the summer. So looking at this, you can, by just calculating and adding up the different students born in each month. For number 2, it says, looking at this graph, can you tell whether more boys than girls were born in May? Then you need to explain. And no, you cannot tell because it only has the number of students. It doesn't say whether they're boys or girls. Let's look at number 3. Write 3 pieces of information you know from looking at this graph. I know that if I add up how many students there are, I can figure out how many there are in the whole entire class. So now I have 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 more is 9, plus 3 more is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I know that there's 24 students in the class. Now I can go back and look at how many were born in a certain month. I know that there were 4 born in May, so the most that were born in one month would be 4. And I know that there were 0 born in February and April, so I'm going to use that information to make a statement. Remember, there are other statements that you can make from using this data. These are just 3 pieces of information you know from looking at the graph.